G'day Spuddies. I just wanted to take a moment to let you guys know that you are not broken. If you want to eat a lot, if you feel like you want to, if you feel like you're a food addict, it's not because there's something wrong with you. I've got a little story. I'll try to stop moving. Alright, I've got a little story. So imagine yourself or someone like you or me back in hunter-gatherer days. We're wandering the African savannah and we're looking for food. Now, one day we stumble upon a doughnut tree. All right, this beautiful doughnut tree in the middle of the savannah, and that's going to be a source of food for us. So here's what happens. People like you and me have a survival advantage, and here's why. You and me, we could eat a lot more potatoes, we could do that, but we could eat a lot more doughnuts from the doughnut tree than the rest of the people in our tribe. All right, and then that means that we're going to store more fat, and storing more fat means that we're more likely to survive through the next drought or cold winter where there's less food available. All right, so that's an important thing. On top of that, our extra drive for calories, our extra hunger drive that we have on top of everyone else, means that we're more likely to remember where the doughnut tree is for next year, so that we can find it again next time it's in season. It's only in season 2 weeks a year, so gorging on donuts from the doughnut tree 2 weeks a year is not going to make a difference to your health when you have to go back to eating the whole unprocessed foods that are available the rest of the year. But next year when it's in season, we'll know exactly where it is. And on top of that, our extra drive for calories and drive for hunger will make us more likely to be the ones that figure out how to plant more trees and grow more, so that next year there'll be even more doughnuts available, and then more chances of surviving droughts and things like that next year. All right, so this extra hunger drive that we have, this extra drive for calories that we have, this extra likelihood or tendency to be food addicts, is not a sign that there's something wrong with us. It's a sign that we are perfectly working human survival machines. Our bodies and minds are working perfectly. What's broken is the society that we live in. Nature has been flipped on its head. And these days, there are doughnut trees, figuratively, there are doughnut trees on every corner and all of the straits in between, and they're always in season, and that's a problem. So we don't need to change who we are. We don't need to fix whatever's wrong with us, because there's nothing wrong. We're perfectly functioning human survival machines. What we need to do is just learn some new strategies, learn some new tools to help us be successful in today's society. And it's a society that's not set up for us. All right, and we can do that. We can put in some simple tools and strategies that will get us through. So that's what it's all about. I hope that's helpful, first of all. And then on top of that, I'm actually doing a seminar with my good friend Shakul Kachwala from High Carb Health. He's a digestive health expert, and we're both going to present together. He's going to present on the ultimate way to eat for digestive health, and I'm going to obviously do my food psychology side of things. And it's really every good health plan has a food plan and a how to stick to it plan. So I work on the how to stick to it, and Shakul's going to tell you about the ultimate way to eat. So click the link below and get more information. I'd love to see you there. It's going to be available online as well. It's online and it's live in person, and it's also available live streaming. So click the link below, check it out. If you've got any questions, hit me up below or email me, and I hope that's helpful. You're not broken, society's broken, and the doughnut tree story proves it. All right, thanks everyone. Spud up.